Hello Doogee people, this is the product that I bought from your store, Ate. It's a Doogee S40, as you can see. It's a black metallic one, and it's not what I recommended, and I ordered an orange one. That's the IMEI. Let's boot it. This phone has two problems. One is the flashlight. It doesn't work. The second is the microphone. This phone cannot take your voice to the hour. First thing first, let's try the flashlight. As you can see, it's on here, but on real, nothing is on, no light. No, not you. Okay. As I said before, flashlight is not working, as you can see. No flashlight. Let's see it from a different angle. Let's see it from the camera. Well, this is the camera. Let's try to on the flashlight. Yeah. No flashlight. Let's put it in a video mode. The flashlight is on. Let's try to record a video. Start recording with no flashlight. That's the first issue. Let's go to the second one. The second one is this phone cannot recognize voice. Let's try to make a recording. Let's try to make a recording. Allow. Hello, can you hear me? My name is Sheriff. Hello. Let's play it. No sound at all. Nothing at all. Let's try it again. As you can see here, this manometer should move when I talk, but nothing happens at all. Notice this manometer is not moving, so it doesn't recognize voice. If you didn't believe that, well, get ready for this. I have another phone here to make a call. Let's try to make a call. Well, let's call my number. Okay. It should get a call. Well, let's put it on speaker. And the same thing here. What is the speaker? Hello? 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 Well, I can hear from Doogee, but let's talk from the Doogee and try to hear it from the Condor. Hello? Hello? hello, 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 hello. As you can see, my phone doesn't receive any sound from the Doogee, so the microphone is damaged. Thank you.